So this is the front of my apartment. It's not, like I said, it's not done. It's not fully furnished how I want, but this is what I have. And I've been in this apartment for like 4 months, I think, going on 5. So I do have a lot of boxes still. I don't have a lot of storage. The back of my chair for my desk, it came off before I even moved, and I just never put it back yet. But this is my living room area. And like I said, I got a lot of little random things, just never mind that. See the vision. This is my living room area. That's my throw over there. I keep that chair there for when I edit my videos. My computer is behind this plant. Couple boxes, the back of my chair, my TV area, which is I can't wait to show you guys once the lights are off. This is how it looks when the lights are off. So very vibey. I just got them not too long ago. And that is my work area. And yes, I have to sit on my chair like that at work. I cannot wait until I get help to fix the back of my chair, which is sitting over there. But yeah, this is my living room. It's a very decent size, very big, and I have to connect my lights to my computer because I'm very resourceful. I realized that the LED lights need a USB port, and that TV for some reason does not have one. Now the one in my room does, so I know that I can get some from my room and be okay, but not this one. So I remember that my little computer that is sitting underneath my pad has USB ports and it's close enough. So I can't shut down my computer though, so I just like make it go to sleep, sign off in order to keep this on, and then later on if I want I could just shut it down. So this is my living room, and then over here is more. This is my front door with the blessed, because I'm very blessed, Lord knows. I thank God every day. That's a blanket for when like my mom and stuff stay over. She just left not too long ago, like 2 days ago. So that's sitting there with more boxes. My pail for outside because we do have LA trash. That's my work shoes, everyday kind of black sneakers, and my black slides from Fashion Nova. The sneakers is in one of my hauls for Go Jane. This is my dining room area, and it is a lot of boxes and things over here because I don't have a lot of storage yet. So I'm gonna get creative and get a lot of storage, but this is how it looks, and it's right off the living room. So there you are. And let me turn back on the light. So yeah, this is how it looks. Very cute. And then here is my kitchen area. I love my kitchen. It looks very similar to my other one, just different appliances. So you come in, a lot of cabinet and counter space, and I love the backsplash. Dishwasher, which is I never use, stove area, and microwave. So yeah, this is my kitchen, and I just love it so much. That is my kitchen area. And then coming off the kitchen, dining room, and living room again, and then the hallway. Now I did just do a lot of laundry. I do not have a washer and dryer hookup like I used to have, which is I miss and get stressed about every time I gotta wash. So this is like laundry that I just did. This is just random stuff, and that's like my work bag that needs serious washing and my regular purse and everything. I just did laundry for that and for this as well. That is one of my mom's t-shirts that I just washed for her, and I forgot to give it to her. But this is my hallway. My hallway is really long, so I have a nice hallway. And then off the hallway is a little closet. I'll open this one because it's not really nothing in here. So it's a little closet. I wish a washer and dryer would have been in. I mean, it could clearly fit if this could fit, but yeah, so I just have like an extra comforter, one of my old comforters, some random stuff in this bag. I think it's like hair and stuff. And that is like where my filter and everything. So that's coming off there. This is some other random stuff, you know, blow dryer, tissue, mirror. I think that's some monitor box for my equipment because I had an extra one, a little stool seat storage thing that I got from my mom when we moved. She no longer wanted it. This is my room that will go in just a moment. This closet is just a regular linen closet. It's really huge, and it also has the water heater though, so sometimes it can just be too much. Like the water heater is huge. I have so much stuff in there right now though, so I'm not going to show that closet right now, but it has like a shelf where like I'll keep like my, you know, laundry detergent, cleaning supplies, a couple old bags that have stuff in it, and just like random stuff. This is my bathroom, which is, I'll show my bathroom right now and then we'll show my room last. This is my bathroom, and as you guys can see, like that's the front of the apartment. So this is my bathroom, and it looks, if you see my bathroom tour, it's the same aesthetic, it's the same thing, and as you guys can see, it's the same aesthetic and everything. It just, the walls and everything fits more with my aesthetic. I'm not trying to show myself right now because I look a hot mess, but as you guys can see, it's the same artwork, towels, shower. It's just the walls are gray. And then a mirror area. This is now behind the door. This used to be over the toilet, so it's now right here. So when I take pictures and stuff, you can see the artwork. And then this is my sink area. Looks just like my other sink. It's just this one is a 1-bedroom. I put some nice little prop diamonds up there because it had like a couple of stains that I couldn't get out. So just to be resourceful, once again, that is what I did. Coming out of the bathroom is my room, and I'm not quite finished with my room yet, but it still came out really nice from the other things that I already had at my other apartment. So coming in, you see one of the art pieces. This used to be over my, I never showed my room in my other apartment, and I meant to do that, but I'm way more happier with this room. It just goes to so much well. So like coming off is this photo that has like all the fly ass designer brands. And then coming in, this is my TV area. I love Everybody Hates Chris, so I do always pretty much have that on in this room. And this is like where I'm currently filming. I gotta do a video tonight or two. And then those are more boxes. It's crazy because I've been here for a couple months and I'm still kind of living out of boxes, but the stuff in the boxes I hardly ever touch. So it's just stuff I don't have room for, because it's not a lot of storage space. Even with the linen closet, it's just not a lot because of the big ass water heater. But yeah, and I just recently with my mom put up my pictures because they weren't up except for the one in the middle. She was able to put that one up for me, and my curtains we put up together. And I still have to put my books on my bookshelf. I still have not did that, like 4 months later. That's just a random lamp in here because I wanted a light in my room. I no longer have a ceiling fan like I did in my last apartment with the light, so that sucks. I had to get used to not having a ceiling fan, and I used to always keep my ceiling fan on. This is my bed. Like I said, I never showed it in my last apartment, but you know, here y'all go. This is my bed. Comforter is from Amazon. This blanket is probably from like Home Goods. The two shiny pillowcases is from Amazon, and the pillows. The headboard I believe is from Amazon. And yeah, and then I just had these. I got these for my sister when I had the last headboard set, and it came with like a lone dresser and everything that I ended up getting rid of when I moved. So yeah, so this is like my little area. These are my LED lights. I had LED lights hanging up in my other apartment. Thought I could bring them over here to the new one, but it no longer wants to stick. It still works, but it doesn't allow me to really change the colors or anything, but it does work like 2 colors. So I still turn it on probably like every night and still use them until I just order some new ones. This is just a regular IKEA mirror. I have 4 of them, but when I moved, I had to leave the brackets. I couldn't take the brackets off the wall for some reason, and I was in a rush. So it's 3 over there that's, you know, stacked against each other, and then this one. I'm going to end up putting another one over here, and then probably the other 2 over there. And then over here, I'm going to get a mirror chest dresser that goes horizontal, that goes vertical instead of horizontal like my last one. So I want that for that, and that give me more space for the millions of clothes I have. And then 2 mirrored nightstands. That's what I want to kind of complete my room. Also right now I don't have a rug. When you first walk in, it used to be like this rug in my other apartment used to be like over here by the door and right next to my bed. I put it here because I just felt like it looked better, but now I might move this back over there. And then on the other side, I have a white rug like this. This chest is my favorite piece probably besides my headboard in my room. I got this, y'all, from Goodwill. I only paid like $90 for it. It was like brand new pretty much. So yeah, I got this from Goodwill. It's just like a chester. You can open it. I use it for like mainly my bar in my last apartment. I don't necessarily do it now, but that's what I was using for this. And this picture used to be over that. When you came in, it was kind of like a wall like this. Got it from Goodwill. When I moved though, and the movers left, I noticed that my leg in the back is broken. So like it's barely hanging on for dear life. I don't know how I can get it fixed besides maybe putting super glue on it, but the leg is completely broke. It's like cracked, and they didn't tell me about it, and I have a feeling that they knew about it and they just didn't want to tell me because I would have been pissed. So I didn't even have this for long, probably like a year, and it's already broken. It's like one of my favorite pieces of furniture, so I'm very bummed and disappointed and upset about that. But yeah, so that's pretty much my room. As you guys can see, still living out of boxes, but for the most part, I mean, it is so beautiful. Curtains from Amazon. This is from, I put it in my oh no, I didn't put this in my bathroom haul. This is, I believe, is from like Burlington. My sister got that. These are all from Amazon, and that is my my room. It's not all the way finished, like I said. My pillows is being stupid. That's why I look kind of crazy, the gray ones. But other than that, this is my humble abode, my diva den. And yeah, so one of my favorite parts in my apartment is my closet. And this is my closet. Coming in, it just looks so beautiful. I organized it pretty well. It's not perfect. If you're like a clean freak, like, you probably won't like it, but this is my closet. I love it, especially with me just moving in. You know, I think I did a good job with organization because it's much smaller to me than my other closet. My other closet was walk-in, but the middle, right through the middle of my closet, was a walkway to my bathroom. So it's like my room, my closet, and then my bathroom. This is more compact, but I like it kind of better because it just pulls everything together, and it's just cute and tight in it. So I have a couple hats hanging here, and then that's my laundry. I just have the spa thing sitting here because I just probably just need to put it away, and I'm not using it. But yeah, just a random mannequin head that I had for a couple years, some boxes, some shoes I got from Goodwill that'll be probably a part of a haul. I just love everything like sequency and just va va voom. cheetah print, all types of stuff, pink. I'm a Leo, so yes, I'm definitely a Leo, so I love all that fancy stuff. I got these 2 storage containers for my mom. I don't know where she got them from, but when she moved, she no longer needed them, so I keep a lot of loose stuff in there, belts, ties, all types of stuff like that. Over here is my favorite part. It is my shelving that I didn't have in my other apartment, so I was able to do something very cute. So I have a lot of purses in my other apartment. I used to hang them on these, but they used to look so crazy. If I have a picture, I'll try to insert the picture. But now this looks so much better. It's given very much boutique. I was able to put all my purses up. They go all the way to the back. That's how many purses I have. And then here I've been had this accessory holder that I got, I think, from Amazon. It's just anything right now in it, but yeah, I got some like lipsticks, jewelry, got some more stuff, more purses, and down here is my glass holder, I guess you could say, for my sunglasses. I have a lot of those as well, so I have those, and then more purses. Like, I literally have so many purses. So yeah, I have my nice little tray, and I also added a little detail with the diamonds, like in my bathroom. I have a whole bag of them from when I was going to do a music video. I did actually do it, but I didn't implement the diamonds, so that was still just packaged, and I was like, you know what, that'll be so cute. Down here is just random clothes, one of my favorite hats, my little baddie hat that I don't wear often yet, but yeah, I have that. And then down here it's another shelf, so that's just random clothes. I have so many clothes, and then underneath I have like stuff underneath the shelves. But this is how it looks. I would try to maybe do a separate, just more detailed closet tour and everything, but this is how it looks, and I just love it. And then since I don't no longer have my drawers where my pants and stuff used to go in, and sweaters and shirts and stuff, I now just put it up here. But it looks good, so I'm not mad at it. And then of course I have, you can't see it, but a lot of shoes. And then my board that I'm probably going to end up hanging here